Nuestra Señora de Namacpacan. In 1871, the image of the Virgin of Namacpacan was brought to the country originally for a seminary in Vigan. However, due to the raging storm, the crew decided to dock in Luna, La Union for safety. Yet the image of the Virgin strangely didn't move, despite of the several attempts to move it to the ship. This was taken as a sign that the Virgin wanted to stay in Luna. Father Marcelino Ceballos made an arrangement with the Augustinian friars who came to claim the image, and she was triumphantly welcomed to her chosen home in La Union. Over the centuries, numerous miracles were reported through her intercession. One of the most notable was when the natives visited her shrine. They relate that a tall lady came to them and gave food and asked them to be baptized in the church in Luna, and the natives identified the image as the lady who came to them. Later on, she was known as the Lady Who Feeds. On November 24, 1959, the Virgin of Namacpacan was pontifically crowned. During the coronation rites, it was relayed by the papal nuncio that the Virgin appeared to Pope Pius XII days before his death and asked him to be honored in that area. Church officials did not know where Luna is until the request for her canonical coronation was submitted to them. The image is venerated at the parish of St. Catherine of Alexandria in Luna, La Union.